How to view the mobile data usage for the current month versus the previous month on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, go down, then tap on connections. After that, tap on data usage. Then we go down and tap on mobile data usage. Now from here, tap on the drop down box at the top. Then from the drop down, you can select the current month or the previous month. And that's it. So this is how much mobile data usage that I have used for the previous month versus for the current month. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.